customer calls. He is angry. He is shouting. What do you do?
Customers? I practiced everything. Everything! But not this. My name is Mia. I am looking for my first job here. I work hard. I never give up. Okay, one more time. And smile. 6%? No, 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 not today. Aerotech, floor 5. Tower. A or B? It was A, I think.
Good morning. Here for the interview? You are early. Most people show up late.
Early is safe.
Please fill out this form. Then take the elevator to floor 5.
Calm down, Mia. You know your answers. New country, new life. Today I find out if I am good enough.
Mia, yes? Sit down. This is Leo. He is on the team.
Hi, relax. He looks scary. He is not.
First question. Monday, 8 a.m. A customer calls. He is angry. He is shouting. What do you do?
Customers? I practiced everything, but not this. Sorry, could you say that again, please?
An angry customer. On the phone. Shouting.
Listen first. People shout when nobody listens.
Next. Friday, 5 p.m. A difficult call comes in. Everyone goes home. What do you do?
Calm down. Slowly. What do you mean by difficult call? A sad customer? Or a big problem?
Good question. A big problem.
Let me make sure I understand. A big problem and I am alone?
Yes.
Then I stay. I ask the customer to wait, nicely, and I call my team.
Most people just say yes, yes, yes. She stops and asks.
Last question. Your form is very clean. You even filled out the last page. But tell me, why does it say Aerotech here?
Because this is Aerotech?
This is Aerotech with 2 R's. Aerotech is in Tower B.
Oh no, no. I am so sorry. I came to the wrong company. I will go now.
Sit down, please.
I want to give up. I want to go home.
30 minutes. You did not know what this job was, but you did not act like you knew. You stopped. You asked. You checked. That is the person we look for. Also, you showed up early. Half of the people never show up at all. The job is yours. Do you want to find out what we do here?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
The job is yours.
Let me make sure I understand. You want me? I came to the wrong company.
You came to the right room.
Yes, I want the job.
See you Monday, wrong company girl. Don't go to Tower B.
Never again.
What do you mean by never again? You don't know our building yet. 10 floors, all the same.
Mom is not going to believe this.
Hey, Leo here. 9 things from today. Use them. Show up to come to a place. Half of the people never show up. Fill out to write your information on a form. Please fill out this form. Find out to learn something new. Do you want to find out what we do here? Calm down to stop feeling nervous. Calm down, Mia. You know your answers. Give up to stop trying. I work hard. I never give up. Look for to try to find. That is the person we look for. Don't understand? Say, sorry, could you say that again, please? Not sure? Ask, what do you mean by difficult call? Want to check? Say, let me make sure I understand. People love this. Bosses love this.
Did you ever go to the wrong place and something good happened? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next story.